If you're experiencing pending transfers in Outlook 2026, this guide will help you resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to get your transfers back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for Outlook to send and receive emails and transfers. Step 2. Review Outbox folder. Open your Outbox folder to see if there are any emails or transfers stuck there. If you find any, try to resend them or delete them if they are no longer needed. Step 3. Restart Outlook. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update Outlook. Make sure your Outlook is up to date. Go to the Help menu and select Check for updates. Install any available updates, as they may fix bugs related to pending transfers. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to Microsoft support for further assistance. They can provide specialized help for your specific situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers in Outlook 2026. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.